I've developed a novel approach to buying and selling real estate, and some software tools assist the process. If the concept or business model is patentable, it'd be great to have patent protection, but I don't want to spend a lot of time and resources if it's likely to succeed. Any advice would be appreciated, and if you have recommendations for a provider, that would be helpful as well. Well, I do have a recommendation. Get a hold of us at Bold Patents, schedule a free discovery call, and we'll be happy to kind of guide you along this way. I said, yes, indeed, business methods are patentable.
Sure.
As long as you've got a novel, right, the first of its kind, series of steps. And if you're putting together valuable, technology, you're just able to get that data put together in a faster, more efficient way, identifying the right clauses, right? Lots of different ways smart contracts are put together. It's definitely eligible. So get a hold of us. We'd be happy to kind of help you think through that. One thing about business methods, I will say that can be challenging, and we always want to check with inventors about, is there's a risk of non-detectability, right? With software, business methods, these types of inventions, even if you are able to get a patent secured, it can be challenging to identify infringers.
Sure.
How will you know from the public vantage whether your invention is being infringed? So it's something to think about. Maybe you've got a good idea, and if you do, I'd love to hear it. So it's kind of part of that. Hey, yeah, we can get you a patent on it, but we want to make sure we're helping you from a holistic standpoint. Do you have a business plan? Is there a real ability for you to identify, leverage this technology, or maybe it's better kept as a trade secret? So that's one thing I wanted to mention there. Pat, any comments on real estate?
No, super cool. Real estate's interesting. They're always hard to file and register because there's so many folks in the financial services and real estate sector at the USPTO. So this would probably fall under both real estate services and maybe some sort of computer or SaaS PaaS services.
Yeah,
cool.
Got it.